Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to remove a bot from Discord in a simple and easy way. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to get rid of any unwanted or unnecessary bot from your server. Stay with me till the end so you can remove bots correctly without any confusion. First, open Discord and go to the server where the bot is added. Make sure you have the Kick Members or Manage Server permission. Without permission, you cannot remove the bot. Now, go to the server setting, then go to Member or Member List on the right side of the server. Find the bot you want to remove. Bots usually have the word bot next to their name. Right-click on the bot's name on PC or long press on mobile. Select Kick Bot Name. Confirm the action when Discord asks you. If you want to completely delete its permissions and settings, you can also go to Server Settings, then Integrations, and remove it from there. Once done, the bot is removed from your server and it will no longer respond or stay online there. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to PC Error Detective for more Discord tutorials.